Okay, we're back again for our fourth lesson, and this lesson we'll be learning about the lifeline and the fate line. We'll look at the ages on these two lines. This will give an indication towards the beginning of one's life and towards the end, so we can see the future and the past. We'll also take a look at the fingers, where the knuckles are prominent and where they're smooth, and how that relates to the individual. And we'll also take a look at the thumb in the hand. So we have the lifeline, the headline and the heart line, and the fate line comes from the wrist towards the second finger. We'll go towards the ages, and it begins from this side of the hand, between the thumb and the first finger. The lifeline curves round. So the ages start from here and here. But we get an approximate age there of around about the 20s. So we come here to the 20s, and then we move up more towards the age of approximately 35. Here we come to about 45, 50. So that's how we move into around the lifeline to give an idea of the age, and when the changes in the lines, this will indicate towards that part of life. So when you're looking ahead, if the person is 35 years old, they ask a question on is there any change within their life. Then if this line shows a break, you'll know the change comes around about the age of 40. So when they're looking for a change, then it will come around about that time. With the fate line, the ages start from here and they come up here. So you'll get the age of around about 20 there. Then you get the age of about 35, and then you get to the age of about 45, and 50, and so forth. So here we have the career or fate line. That's any changes within their career or within their work or within their business will be looking more towards the fate line. So when they're looking to see if they're going to make a change within their career, we look in here, and if the change comes around here, and then it breaks off and moves across, you know that they're making a change within their career. They're around about the age of 40. They'll be making a change in direction, which is going to be more successful from the business they're in, because this line comes straight down and then it moves to the right and goes to the second finger. And the more ambitious they go, it will come towards this finger. So you will know whether they're going to be really ambitious or staying in the same, moving into a new career, but staying within the same level. If the break comes and then moves back or has breaks in the line, you know the change is going to be for the worse. That they won't stay within the change they make. They'll have to make 2 more changes within their career to make any improvement. So when you're looking ahead, you have to have a measure of ages within the lines. Then we have if they ask for I was going to take you towards the fingers. We'll have to go into the next lesson, which will bring us towards the fingers and the thumb. We'll try and go more in towards the fingers and the thumb next time. So, thank you very much. Until next time. Thank you.